Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to manage notifications in HubSpot. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to HubSpot.com. Once you're on the page, log in using your HubSpot credentials. This will take you to your main dashboard where you can access all of HubSpot's features and tools. After logging in, direct your attention to the top of the screen where you'll find the notifications icon. It's usually represented by a bell symbol. Click on this icon to open your notifications panel. This is where all your HubSpot activity updates, alerts, and messages are collected in one place. Now that the notifications panel is open, you'll see a list of all your recent notifications. If you want to clean up your notification feed, you can select individual notifications by clicking the checkbox next to each one. Once you've selected the notifications you want to manage, you'll see options appear at the top. You can click Mark as Read to acknowledge the notifications without deleting them, or you can click Delete to remove them completely from your notification feed. At the top of the notifications panel, you'll also notice several tabs that help you filter your notifications. Click on Unread to see only the notifications you haven't checked yet. If you want to view everything together, click All. And if you need to review notifications you've previously deleted, click Trash. These tabs make it much easier to organize and find specific notifications when you need them. To customize how you receive notifications in HubSpot, look for the gear icon within the notifications panel and click on it. This will take you to the notification settings page where you can configure everything according to your preferences. In the settings area, you'll see toggle buttons that control how you get notified. You can click the toggle button next to email if you want notifications sent to your inbox. There's also a bell option for in-app notifications, browser for browser notifications, and pop-up if you want immediate pop-up alerts. You can enable or disable any of these based on how you prefer to stay updated. Below these general notification methods, you'll find more specific categories where you can adjust notifications for different areas of HubSpot. You can customize notifications for Academy, Account, Ads, Audit Logs, and many more sections. This allows you to fine-tune which activities trigger notifications so you only get alerts that matter to you. Take your time scrolling through these options and toggle them on or off depending on your workflow needs. Once you've finished adjusting all your notification preferences, scroll down to the bottom of the settings page and click Save. This will apply all your changes and update how HubSpot sends you notifications moving forward. And that's it. You've now set up your notification preferences in HubSpot exactly how you want them. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.